To fix the G syncs, lagging, stuttering, or flickering in your Windows PC, just open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience, then go to the settings, then go down and turn off the in-game overlay. Also, if you have any software like screen recording or your image afterburner you're trying to do, also turn off the in-game overlay. This will fix your problem. And if that doesn't work, just go to the NVIDIA control panel, open the NVIDIA control panel, and after that go to the manage 3 settings. And you need to go down and find your monitor technology. And after that, you need to click on monitor technology and choose the fixed refresh rate. Click on that and click on apply and go to that game and see that fix your problem. And if that doesn't work, the third method is go down and turn on the vertical sync. Right click on it and turn on the vertical sync and go to apply. After applying these settings, check if this works, and if that doesn't work, go to the game settings and find the virtual sync or the V-sync option. Also turn it on and see if this works. So this will help to fix the problem of the G-sync lagging or flickering. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.